Alright, this is rain fishing part 2. We're back in the garage. And I'm going to show you guys how to get a tangle out of a line. Come in my tackle box, grab my snippers, give me the hook, and retie. But the thing is, that's not all. I just got the lure back. I never got the tangle out of the rod. Or did I? If I can get it. I'm sorry, you guys are looking at the four-wheeler because you're on my chest. And we snapped it. Now all we gotta do is roll all of this line back up and throw it away and put the rod away. And then we find a different rod to mess up. Until I mess up most of them, and then we gotta start untangling them, which no big deal. But I think this is gonna be a part 2 to rain fishing. If I forget what I say and what I don't say, so if I already said that, yeah. But yeah, bye.